Hey there, it's Anisha and welcome to my porch makeover. In this video, I did some cleaning, some gardening, and decorating with a few decor pieces that I made myself just for this space. I'm so excited to share them with you and I really hope you enjoy the video. So let's get started. So here's a look at my porch before. Pretty simple, just a bench and a rug. And as you can tell by the overgrown weeds and dirt, the space was in need of a deep clean, so that was first on the agenda. I started by removing the rug, then the bench, and got to work sweeping and pulling the weeds. Next, I sprayed everything down with the hose and scrubbed the bench. And lastly, I got my little helpers to assist in cleaning the door. And once I was done with all of that, I left that area to dry and got started on cleaning out the flower beds. I put these flower beds in last summer and I really like the addition that they give to the porch. And that was quite a bit of work, so once I was done with that, I definitely needed a break and decided to go shop for flowers. And now we're back and it's time to get back to work. My girls absolutely love flowers and they love gardening, so we actually let them pick out all of the flowers for this area, and so naturally they had to help me put them in as well. And with the flowers in and watered, it was finally time to decorate. I started out by placing my new rugs. And then I brought the bench back and got that in place. And for my first DIY, this cute little planter box. Next is these two lanterns that I made, and they are solar powered lanterns and look really pretty at night. And for the last piece, in DIY number 3, I added this hello sign. To bring in a few more pops of yellow, I added these nice flowers to my planter and a small pillow to the bench. And that's it, guys. So here's a reminder of where we started. And here is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's simple as far as the decor, but very welcoming, and it just makes the space feel very happy. I love that about the color yellow. Alright, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe before leaving. Also, if you'd like to see how I created any of these decor pieces, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye!